Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Review Information. Today I will show how to change your desktop location. Please follow the procedure. First, click on this PC from your desktop. You have to create a new folder in any drive to set the new location of desktop. I will set on F drive. Here, create a new folder and rename it to desktop. Click back. Double click to C drive, then users. Here all the user list of your PC will be showing. Click on the current user. Here you can see the current desktop. Right click on desktop and select properties. In the desktop properties, click on the location tab. Current desktop location is this. Now to change, click on move. Select the folder you have created earlier. Now click apply. Click yes. OK. Your desktop location is now moved. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more. Goodbye.